Hello everyone, this is Chirag and this is the presentation of supply chain analytics. Today I'm going to explain two of the companies and their supply chain system. So let's start with it. So first of all, the summary of the presentation. And this presentation I will gonna explain two of the companies. One is Vodafone Australia and second one is Virgin Mobile. So the thing is the reason of picking these companies is because they have like such a wide range of the supply chain and they got like a lot of people joined with them, so that's why I chose these two companies. And these two companies have like a lot of networks and they got a lot of networks and the customers in the market. So this is the major reason of choosing these companies. So first of all, the introduction of these two organizations. So the first organization is Vodafone Australia. It's, as you already know about Vodafone, it's the telecommunication company which offers us the fixed internet and mobile networks and services in Australia. So they already have like 23 million customers in Australia, and they have like 2.3 billion customers in whole over the world, the Vodafone company. And they got like 2.17 million fixed broadband customers till like the figure is till December of 2020. They got like 2.17 million fixed broadband. And second organization is Virgin Mobile. So in 2001, Virgin Mobile was found by Virgin Group and Sprint Corporations. So this is a remote communication brand which have the license to different companies around the world. They also make mobiles. They got like we got nowadays we have Virgin Airlines as well. So they have a lot of things. So these are the logos of the company. This one is the logo of Vodafone and this is for Virgin Mobile. So first of all, let's talk about the business model of Vodafone Australia. So this group is already partnered with 47 of the countries, includes England, Britain, Australia, India, Russia, China, Japan, and a lot more. So they have like a lot of good server in all over the world, and they already like there are a lot of areas where they don't operate, but they have like a good expand in 47 of the countries. So this business model of the Vodafone Australia is basically like how much they have like customers and the how much customers they have and how they sell their things and how they manage all the stuff. So this is the business model. So first of all, the customers, they got the revenue, and then the cash flow, then the shareholder remuneration, then assets. So assets are normally the networks or people or the brand or suppliers of the organization. So this is the business model for Vodafone. And let's go to Virgin Mobile. So they got like right now they have very less number of customers nowadays because of they have like less stuff. Like they don't have the services of 5G nowadays, and they got like it's the self-managed organization basically. So they have like less number of networks. So which the like the consumer of this company, they have like they're getting benefit from the low cost services, and they got a high quality network, but still they don't have the high cost service, and they don't have the effective number of quality networks. Like they just have 1.7 million in the whole of the world. They got just this much customers. So the next is the comparison of both of the organization's supply chain. So first of all, the supply chain of both of the organization is almost same. Operations, they whatever they perform is also the same. Logistical goals, they got Vodafone have marketing goals, market value, services, sales, profits, and promotions. And in spite of that, Virgin Mobile, they got sales, profit, services. and they got the risk analysis. That's the best thing about Virgin Mobile. They got the risk analysis, which helps them to be a good company. So network coverage, 4G, as like Vodafone have the 4G in whole over the world right now, which is the best thing. And they got like 23 million Australians who are using this. And from last year, mid 2020, we got like 5G in a lot of parts of Australia, while Virgin Mobile, they just have 3G and 4G network. They are trying to figuring out with the 5G. They are trying to deliver it to some part of the world. So issues in Vodafone, they got the feedback issues. They got like such a big company, such a big ratio of customers, but they don't have the customer service that good. So they got that sometimes they got the network issues when they are installing the 4G 5G stuff. So they got the network issue so much. And with the Virgin Mobile, same issue. They got the large number of customers. So they got the like some of the policies which are not good enough. Is This is all reviewed by the customers. And they got the network issues, because network issue is common for all the companies. So these are the analyses of Vodafone Australia. It's just basically based on one SCM guideline, and it got the multi-layer supply chains as well. It got large number of suppliers, stakeholders. So main problem of them is if they will rely on that number, like on the suppliers, or on the stakeholders, they face problems in the future. They use e-sourcing expenditure analysis, but that is not worth it if you got like large number of suppliers, and if suppliers make some mistake, then you have to face the things. So they got the VPC purchase product, which directly purchase the products from the Vodafone group. VPC is like Vodafone Pressure company. They just directly they just directly purchase the product from Vodafone group and sell it to the companies. So this VPC come into the level 1 category, which have like IRD networks, terminals, and the stuff. So the recommendations for the Vodafone company, they already are well settled company. They are earning too much. They are getting too much profit. But there are some areas which they have to look into. Like they have to look into the one SCM model which they are using right now. So there is a need of like agent-based supply chain, where they can like the customers, or they can fill the form and they can send it to the Vodafone group, and then they can resolve it. They can use integration, because right now operations and the companies, they all are different. So they have to like come together and used to work like the customers demand. And they also, it's a seasoned company, so they have to provide support and growth for if they want to be in the market. So sustenance in development, it's the best thing of they have to achieve this into their supply chain network. So these are the analysis of Virgin Mobile. They have to develop a high-end brand right now, because other brands are growing very rapidly. They have to ensure that their technological team will work on the up to date. They have to put some quality and up characteristics. They have to put something new in their company. They have to offer some schemes to the customers, so that they will gonna attract to them. They can also they have to just reach to the demand of the public. So recommendations for them is they have to like make cost effective, like they at least they have to give plans to the customer which is cost effective. They have to pay attention to device compatibility. Like if device want like can work in 5G, then they give the 5G services to the customer. They need a resistance and intricacy in the supply chain network. So that will be it. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day.